I traveled to the Volta region from Kumasi to explore and, more importantly, to provide useful information to my viewers about the tourist sites and interesting places in the Volta region, like the Keita Beach, Fort Presenstein, the Willy Waterfall, Afajato, Taffy Atomic Monkey Sanctuary, a documentary on how Gary is being prepared, and some interesting videos. So if you haven't checked those videos after watching, you can go do so. So it's at this point that we have to say goodbye to the people of Volta region, most especially to the EfyaKimora family who hosted us, such great hospitality, to Innocent who made our transportation in the Volta region a success, and to everybody who made our stay here a successful one. And also a very big thanks to my lovely viewers who have been with me since the beginning of this episode. I appreciate you.
From my mind, I don't want you near. If you kill me with kindness, I no longer feel you here.
I mean, I still read you can't meet me there. We'll go for it.
You falling for someone new. A feathered heart forgets everything that's true. Feels like I've ran into dancing shades.
They should have been wicked.
I'm your fogger. I'm on board as you would, especially no more Sitanian Fidaki lot. I want that fogger. I call it your OG, and I got to call from going.
Like I'm going to Volta Region.
No Volta Region away. We never want you.
So today is the last episode from the Volta region, and you're going back to Kumasi. Let's do this road trip together. Enjoy. Let's go. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's a girl EfyaKimora here. If you're all here, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell for more interesting and adventurous videos. Innocent took us to Accra from Mafi Kumase, which cost 30 cedis per person, which is 3 hours drive from Mafi Kumase.
Okay. Pull up at the job, let me show you the bitch. Your ex nigga, he a lame to that boy to quit. Yep, pound the pig, I got a pound to pick. Your vibration is lit, I gotta get in the mix. She stay licking her lips, and she switching her hips. I gotta get a taste, I cannot get away.
I can't shake it just like a dog in the heat. This feeling of mine probably resides deep as the sea. I'm leaving tomorrow morning, soon as the sun coming up. Drop my bags at the front door, screaming like what the fuck. I'm needing you now, not giving up now. Treat you like Valentine, taking this heart of mine for granted. Said we was never going down, now I'm singing on the Titanic. She said it's no need to panic, but
fireball summer, honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer, it was a fireball summer. And he said, won't you forget me when I'm gone? Promise I won't. Remember us dancing to a song all night long. Will you still text me when you can't be strong? It all feels wrong, 'cause I got you. Nothing comes closer. Fireball summer, fireball summer.
Another lonely summer, till I got your number. Open up the shutters to life in Technicolor. Ex-girlfriend said I changed, 'cause I cut out all the lanes. Only one girl in my lane, only one kid on the pain. 5-7 on the 886, we made our own love. King of my corporation, we made our own love. Nobody mess with the team, yo. Shout out my PSC, yo. Pocket my lucky number, my number one.
Honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer, it was a fireball summer.
3 hours time we were in Accra, and as soon as we got to the station, the bus was almost full. We bought our tickets, which cost 55 cedis per person. We set off around 12:47 p.m. I was very hungry, but the driver says he is not going to make a stop till we get to Kumasi. Unfortunately, the car we got was so packed that I couldn't video from the front, or I wasn't at the front seat, so I have to video from the back. I hope you still enjoy the view.
Remember us dancing to a song all night long. Will you still text me when you can't be strong? It all feels wrong, 'cause I got you. Nothing comes closer. Fireball summer, yeah, 'cause I got you. Nothing comes closer. Fireball summer, fireball summer.
I was so hungry that I have to beg the driver to make a stop at the Paradise rest stop to get something to eat. Funny enough, I wasn't the only one who needed help. Anyways, I got food for myself and I'm good to go. You are invited. 4 hours time we were in Kumasi. Home sweet home. Thank God for a successful journey. Thanks for watching. Which region is next? Leave a comment below, like and share. Until we meet again in my next video, it's a girl EfyaKimora here. Love you and bye bye.